Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. In good shape, Carfax one owner. Just repriced from $26,999. SC trim. Nav system, moonroof, heated leather seats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive. Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Purchase with confidence. Vehicle reviews. CarAndDriver.com's review says beautifully crafted inside and out, strong V8s, smooth ride, great visibility, ready to drive to hell and back. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.